We live in a time of productivity overload. Everywhere you go, there are articles and books about how to be more productive, how to squeeze 27 hours of work out of every 24, and how to accomplish more and more in the hopes of eventually getting out of the rat race. All this can result in feelings of overwhelm, which is also why you are not searching for ways to stop feeling overwhelmed. Here are a few tips for you if you are feeling overwhelmed. Number 1. Direct your thoughts towards positivity. When you are overwhelmed, the first thing you do is start thinking negatively or begin to hate why you have to take on so many responsibilities in the first place. The first thing you need to do is stop thinking like this. Instead, focus on the positive and problem solving. If you are stuck in traffic, imagine how great it would be to have some alone time. If you are rushing to meet a deadline, consider how lucky you are to have a goal and to be working toward it. If you are worried about a final exam, consider how lucky you are to have access to higher education. After you have changed your mental patterns, tell yourself, I can do this. Continue to say it until you believe it, and you will be well on your way to learning how to stop feeling overwhelmed. Number 2. Take a deep breath in and adjust your posture. Certain things happen to your body when you are stressed. You start to take short breaths, hunch over and stiffen up, and all of these tension worsens your level of stress. To counteract this, straighten your spine and take at least 10 deep cleansing breaths. Make an effort to smile and do something to improve your mood. It may be as basic as embracing yourself or as silly as clapping your hands 3 times, throwing them up in the air and shouting, I got this. Think how you would sit or stand if you are fully confident and in control of the situation. Number 3. Focus on the present moment. Now that you are in a better state of mind and are no longer thinking negatively, you must focus on the present moment. Ask yourself, what is the most important thing over which I have control and can act right now? Continue to ask yourself this question until you have a clear next step. Once you have decided what you want to do, write out the steps you'll need to follow to carry it out. Number 4. Take action. If you want to learn how to stop feeling overwhelmed, you need to put your plan into action now that you know what's most important and what to do about it. Start with the first step and try to finish it through responsible time management. Don't worry about anything else right now, just focus on your initial step and how to complete it. After that, decide on the next most critical step and develop a new goal and plan. Number 5. Let go of what you can't control. Seasoned gamblers realize the value of doing their homework and knowing when to let go. According to the gambler's theory, once your bet is placed, there is nothing you can do but relax and enjoy the process. Worry about it when you are evaluating the best odds and deciding what to bet on when you can actually take action. For example, there is no use in worrying after an exam because there is nothing you can do to affect the outcome. The same is true when you're feeling overwhelmed. Focus on what you can do to improve your situation. However, if you have done everything you can and are now just waiting, or if you're anxious about something over which you have no control, understand there is no point. You should relax and enjoy the time. Number 6. Stop feeling guilty. Stop comparing yourself to others if you want to learn how to stop feeling overwhelmed. You are not being fair to yourself if you are at your wits' end trying to keep up with what you believe you should be doing. This is not to say you should not strive for improvement, but don't go overboard just because you feel compelled to. Only you know what's truly important to you, and your own success journey is entirely unique to you. So focus on your top priorities rather than that of others. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this.